Hi guys, Bo here. Today I'm going to install the retractable shower door on this shower here. This is the fourth one I've done. It's very easy. I have done this video of how to install it in the past. A lot of people really liked it. It's helpful, but I kind of don't like the video. Okay, so I am going to redo the video again. It's updated. It's 4K resolution. Let's see if I can get a better video of it. It's very simple to install. Okay, so this is the Nautilus retractable shower door. It takes 2 weeks to lead time when you order it. So if you're thinking about ordering it, yeah, give it 2 weeks lead time. It's a custom size. You can just order the size of the shower, the height and the length that you need, and then they cut it for you. So I think it's not returnable once you order it, once you received it, because all these showers are custom cut. Okay, let's open up the box and see what we find. All right, after opening the box, this is what you got. Okay, the cross beam. Actually, it is the guide. Okay, it's this is where, excuse you. This is where your the wheel of the door, okay, that runs through here. So it guides the wheel, and it there's one on top and one bottom. There's aluminum, very light, and it's hollow. Okay, so you need to cut this to fit. Okay, once you measure your opening, excuse me first. Once you measure your opening, and let's say it's, I make it up, okay, 25 inches. Okay, if your opening is 25 inches, you minus it by 1/4 inch. Okay, so it'll be 24 and 3/4, and then you cut it. Okay, that because you need to accommodate here. Okay, it has to fit in here. Okay, anyways, I'll show you how it is. Okay, so that's that, and then on the wall on the opposite side from the door, you have this. You got it's the frame. I call it a frame. So you got the double back tape on one side here, and then it'll be tape against the wall, and your door, okay, comes through here, and then it locks into here. Okay, that's how it works. Next, you will have your canister. This is your door right here that retracts into it. Okay, there you go. Okay, that nice grayish color here, very beautiful. We wanted gray color because the interior is gray and white, perfectly matched. Okay, all right, let's do this. Actually, in a minute. Okay, tool required. All right, you need the leveler, you need tape measure, you need a pencil, a screwdriver, a drill, and a metal saw. Well, you can use either the hand saw, or you can use the jigsaw or circles or whatever you use. It comes with these 2 screws. These are self driven screws, and I guess that's why you need the drill here. The pencil, you need it just to mark where you're gonna mount this to the wall, and I guess 2 screws will be on just on this side. You see the hole right here already. We'll find out. Let's go. This is my shower door. This is on the left side, okay, and that's the double back tape, okay, that goes against the wall. Okay. Ooh, what a perfect fit. Okay, so this is what I mean. Use a pencil, okay, to mark where you want this to be. What you want it to be is when you retract, okay, not when you retract, when you open it, okay, when you take a shower, you want this door to be on this, a little bit on this side, this lip, the side of the shower pan right here, so that the water will drip inside the pan instead of spilling out side. Okay, so that's where you want, how you want it. Okay, and this is what I mean. The rail, this one will be inserted inside the rail. When you slide it that way, it will keep that door straight, and then water drips inside the pan. Okay, but if you have the shower pan, the lip right here that has the flange that the water doesn't go outside, you can just, you know, move it back. It's up to you what kind of the design you have. You kind of save a little more space by, you know, pushing it back. So, all right, so you mark on either on this side, it's up to you. Mark top and bottom, you know, use the leveler to see how, make sure it's straight, and then mark it. After that, we're gonna peel the double back tape, align it with the marks, and then that's how we press into the wall. Because make sure you mark it nicely first. Try it to make sure everything's good before you peel off that tape and press it, because these tapes are super, it's like almost permanent stick. Okay, once you stick it to the wall, it's almost permanent. It's hard to remove. So, all right, I'm gonna do that right now. Peel the tape before I press it. Okay, there, and now my check. Press. Okay, you can see how strong it is already. I can see, we check from the inside, from the dark side, so you can, if you can see any light on the outside, then that's where the gap is. All right, looks good. See. Yes. Okay. Now this side. All right, this side. Okay. Hope you can see this. Okay, you got this an L shape. This is where the tape is. Okay, it's gonna go like this. Okay, not the other way around. Okay, not like this. Okay, you have to face, face the open part, the open side. So it's gonna be this way. when you slide the door, it will lock into here. Okay, if you have it the other way around, you cannot lock it. This is gonna be in your way, so just remember that. Okay, now I just need to slide the door and kind of lock into it, and then check my door. Hope I don't let it go. Okay, so it has to be straight line from over there. If it's not, that you're gonna see the door has a wrinkle. Okay, it has to be smooth. Okay, once I have the bottom to where I want it, my level right there. I'm going to mark my wall. Now before I really press it, I'm gonna slide the door and match to it. Okay, that's where it's gonna go, and there's no wrinkle on my door. And then it's dripping inside. Okay, now I'm going to measure from here across to this side. Whatever that measurement is, I'm going to deduct a 1/4 inch. It looks like it's 29.5, so it's gonna be 29.25. Okay, once I have my rail cut, I'm going to insert this side first, the side where the door is. So see the slot here? Just insert it through there and into that square, and then come to this side. Okay, this side we are going to remove that. It's a pop out, okay, and insert this in there. It's like a cap, and then it's all the way in, and then it's tight. Alright, looks like it's I cut a little bit too long. It won't go in. I have to go trim it a little, just a tiny bit. Be back. Here we go. Fits perfect. Let's take a look at that. Okay, I was being a little bit greedy. I don't want it to be short. And then it should slide in and snap. Hear that? So it should snap into that plastic screw there. There you go. Yeah. And then I'm gonna apply the silicone on the inner side, on all around here, and all along the frame, on the wall as well. All right, lastly, these 2 screws that came with the kit, they are going to go one here top and one for the bottom. There we go. Screws are in, one for on the top, one the bottom, to add extra strength. Here we go, you guys. We got our beautiful retractable shower door. Comes out nice. I told you it was easy. I think the only hardest part is cut the rails and the screw. You try to screw in here. Well, first try to put the screw to mark the rail, and then take it off and pre-drill the hole, and then it goes in so easy. Besides that, super easy. Okay. Done. Okay, all I have to do now is apply the silicone along the inside all around the frame, and we are done. Okay, I hope this instruction is helpful for everybody, and if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't too. We have a lot of projects going on here, and thank you for watching. See you later.